Good morning, second grade friends. It's Mrs. Sane. We're going to play a game of I Spy today with our high frequency words. So you're going to need to go get your high frequency words that we've been using. Pause the video, that little blue button, pause it, and run go get your high frequency word cards and then come back. All right, and go. Good job. Okay, so now we're back. All right, guys. We are going to play I Spy with my little eye. And I have a whole bunch of clues about our words. Let's go over high frequency words again. You want to? Okay. Than, end, men, wash, left, see, best, does, more, and job. All right, so I am going to pick a random clue, and we are going to I spy our high frequency words to see if we can find the word that matches the clue. Are you ready? Okay. I'm not looking, I'm just picking. A word that is the antonym of the word right. Remember we talked about antonyms earlier? An antonym is a word that means the opposite. So, if I'm looking for an antonym of the word right, I need the opposite of right. I spy with my little eye the word left. Left is the opposite of right. So left is an antonym for right. Okay, next clue. A word that is an antonym of begin. Okay. So, if it's an antonym of begin, it's the opposite of begin. I spy with my little eye. The antonym for begin is end. Good job. All right, are you ready for another one? Not looking. A word that is an antonym of worst. So a word that means the opposite of worst. I spy with my little eye the word best. Best means the opposite of worst, so this must be the antonym of worst. Okay. All right, next clue. A word that is an antonym of less. A word that is an antonym for less. I spy with my little eye the word more. More is the antonym for less because more is the opposite of less. Cool. All right, again. A word that begins with the sound. Which one of these words begins with the digraph sound? I spy with my little eye the word than. It begins with a. Alrighty. That TH sound is a digraph. Those two letters make one sound. When you read than, you don't say t, h, n. You take the T and the H, and that is a digraph. It makes this sound all of its own, and that sound is Okay, all right. A word that means more than one man. A word that means more than one man. I spy with my little eye. Did you find it? The word men. Men means more than one man. Men is the plural of man. Cool. Okay, there's one more in my bucket. Ooh, but I've got a lot left. I've got wash, job, and see, and does. I wonder which one we're going to have to look for. Are you ready? Okay. A word that ends with the sh sound. Shh. I spy with my little eye. Wash. Look at that. It has an SH sound that makes one sound. You don't say w, a, s, h. That SH is a digraph. And those two letters make a special sound when they're together and they're partners. Shh. Okay, good job, you guys. There's nothing left in our bucket. So we just had see and does and job left. Good job. I hope that you had fun. Guess what you get to do now? Okay, you have another book that's all for you, and it's called Picnic Fun. Now, you read earlier this week, you read The Red Van, and this is a continuation of that story. So what you're going to do is you are going to read this book, and remember, we're going to read with expression. We are going to look at all of the punctuation, and we are going to think about what's going on in the story, and we are going to read with expression. You're going to read just the way you talk out loud, okay? You're going to read with expression. And at the very back of your book, there are 3 questions. And at the very beginning, it says in the directions to reread both stories. So you're going to reread, whoop, I'm backwards. There you go. You're going to reread both of these stories before you answer the questions at the back of Picnic Fun. Now, I even provided you with a place to write your answers down because I want you to write down your answers. And it says, Picnic Fun response paper. You're going to write your name at the top of the paper. Always, always, always write your name. Never forget that one. That was really important. And then you're going to write your answers on the writing line. Friends, make sure that you're using your very, very, very best handwriting. That's why I included writing lines. Your capital letters goes from the top line to the bottom line. Some of your lowercase letters will touch that top line and go to the bottom line. Your middle line is used for your lowercase letters. And some of your lowercase letters actually go below the writing line. And I call it they're going fishing. G's, lowercase g's go fishing, lowercase y's go fishing, lowercase j's. So I want you to look at that bottom line. And if it's a lowercase letter that needs to go fishing, then you go fishing down the line, below the line. All right? Very best handwriting, boys and girls. I want you to just brag and show off and show me how wonderful your handwriting is with this. All right, guys. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.